So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to earn $1,000 a day using this free hack. Now, this definitely works because this is what I do inside of my business in order to get sales. This is something that I have actually taught to clients of mine who actually earned their first few dollars online to making their first $1,000 in commissions online, and then even earning their first 5-figure month online with this strategy. So this definitely works. So what you want to make sure that you do is you grab a pen and paper and go along with me through this step-by-step tutorial showing you how you can earn $1,000 a day with this simple hack. And if you need to pause it at any time in order for you to implement, make sure you do so because this is a simple strategy to follow. And if you do it every single day, you will start to see results. Now, if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Linsay. And on this channel, I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so that way you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content, and let me share with you this simple hack that can bring you $1,000 per day. Now, in this video, you're going to learn a simple hack to earn daily profits. Now, this will only take you about 30 minutes a day to maintain, and you want to do this over the next 30 days. And make sure you stay until the end because I want to share with you how you can actually maximize your results with this and increase the possibility of you earning more commissions every single day with this simple strategy. Now, the first thing that you need to do is we need to find a product to sell. And in order for you to hit $1,000 per day, it'll be better for you to find products that will actually earn you $500 per sale. And with that, all you need is 2 sales per day in order to hit $1,000 per day. And then there will be times where you can actually find a product that costs over, $2,000 and you earn 50% commissions, which will be $1,000, and you can just do 1 sale per day to earn $1,000. But let me go ahead and share with you 2 places where you can actually find products that will actually pay you out $500 in commissions. So the first place that we're looking at right now, of course, is ClickBank. So we come over here to ClickBank. You can choose on any of these niches right here in order to find products. You can also come up here to the search bar and just click on the magnifying glass. And here you can see the top products all across the actual website. And as you can see here, the numbers in the green will kind of give you an idea of how much you can earn per commission, right? So we see a wide variety of things, but again, in order for this to work, we need to find products that will actually pay us out close to $500 or even more. So since I am in the make money online internet marketing niche, for me, I will come here to e-business and e-marketing, and I'll hit the little down arrow and I'll probably choose something like affiliate marketing. Now, once I'm here, I can see a variety of different products here. So this one right here, it pays out $357, so about $400. So it may take you about 3 sales to get to $1,000, which is still good. And if you scroll down, you'll see different other products that you can promote. So the 12-minute affiliate, if you watch my channel, you know this is one of the things I promote. And this is $174. Again, it'll just take you a few more sales in order to hit $1,000. This one right here, Commission Hero, is a really popular product, and it's paying out $400 right here. So you'll probably take 2 to 3 sales in order for you to hit $1,000. Now, if we scroll through this a little bit more, you can also see Super Affiliate System, and it actually pays out $649 in commissions. So this one right here, you'll need about 2 sales and you'll hit that $1,000 mark. You can also come to a site called Digistore24. And if we also come here and we look, if we click on Marketplace, it would actually bring us to a page here. I would click on Internet Marketing and e-business, and then I can start seeing products that are paying out over $500. So this one right here, Done For You Services Affiliate Marketing System. This is the second best product listed on the listed under the e-marketing and e-business category. And you see it pays $527. So that's a good one that you could promote. Again, it'll take you about 2 sales in order to hit your $1,000 mark. So all you'll have to do is just grab your affiliate link here. And if you were to go back to ClickBank, if you wanted to promote maybe the Super Affiliate System, all you have to do is just click on promote and it will give you your affiliate links. So now that we have found a product that we want to offer to the marketplace or offer to sell, the next thing that we need to do is we need to put that in front of an audience of people who will be interested in buying this. So what you need in order to find your audience is a Facebook account. So you can use your current Facebook account, or if you want to keep your business life separate from your personal life, create a new Facebook account that'll be solely for business. And what you want to do is you want to leverage your Facebook profile. The reason why you want to do this is because with your Facebook profile, you have an opportunity to create more engagement with your friends list, and your friends list have a potential to see more of your content that way. Now with your Facebook profile, what we want to do is we want to find some quality Facebook groups in order to start building up our friends list. We don't want to add and try to max out our friends list with just a bunch of random people who have no interest in what we're going to be selling them. So you remember how I just shared with you in ClickBank and Digistore, we're actually finding products that are in the internet marketing, affiliate marketing space. So what we want to do is we want to fill up our friends list worth of targeted buyers who are in what? The affiliate marketing niche, the internet marketing niche, or make money online niche. So what you want to do is you want to come over here to the search bar, and let's start off our search with ClickFunnels. Now the reason why we're doing a search for ClickFunnels is because this is a popular product amongst entrepreneurs, business owners, affiliate marketers, and so on. Now, if we come over here, we can actually click on groups, and we'll see that ClickFunnels has their official group, which has over 250,000 members in it. And then they also have a group just for the affiliates, which has 84,000 members inside of this group. Now, I'm a member of both of these groups, and what you want to do is you want to join groups like this because they have quality people inside of these groups. If they are inside of these groups, more than likely they are buyers of the product. So it means that they actually whipped out their credit cards and actually bought ClickFunnels to use. So that's already a green light right there. And what you want to do is you want to join these groups, and you want to send out friend requests, at least 20 to 30 friend requests per day of quality people. Now, what I mean by quality people, if we were to enter this group right here for ClickFunnels, what you want to do is you want to reach out to people who actively comment on posts inside of this group. People who actually create posts inside of this group. Because if they doing that, that means that they are actually engaging in the group, engaging in the conversation and everything else. So these are the people that you want to interact with. These are the people that you want to send a friend request to. Now, in addition to ClickFunnels, I want you to actually write down a list of different products and services that people actually use inside of their affiliate marketing or make money online business or whatever. So another example of this would be GrooveFunnels. So GrooveFunnels just released, I think this year, is similar to ClickFunnels, but it's at a cheaper cost. And what you can do here is if you put in GrooveFunnels and you click on groups, we're going to see if they have any groups available. So right here, you have Groove Digital Official Group, and it has over 120,000 members. So you could join this group. And again, what I just mentioned for ClickFunnels, you want to send out 20 to 30 friend requests to people who are actively showing up in the group, who are commenting on posts, and who are creating posts. Now, when you send out these friend requests, what you want to do is, and they actually accept your friend request, what you want to do is you just want to send out a simple message saying, hey, thank you for accepting my friend request. I look forward to seeing your posts. That's all you want to do. The reason why you want to do that is because if you go ahead and do that immediate interaction, you're going to start seeing their content on your newsfeed, and then they're also going to start seeing your content on their newsfeed. If you do not do this, they're not going to see your content. So you have to interact in some kind of way. And this is the best way to do that. When somebody accepts your friend request, send them a message saying, thank you for accepting my friend request. You want to make sure that you do that. You don't have to fall into a deep conversation or anything like that, but just make sure you send that, okay? Now, if they do kind of interact with you, you can talk back and forth with them for a few minutes or whatever, but it's not necessary for you to do in order to make this work. Now that you are starting to build up your friends list with buyers of people who actually interact on social media, the next thing you want to do is you want to post 2 times per day from your Facebook profile. So the 2 types of posts that you want to do is you want to make a post about something motivational. It can be a simple quote. So you can come over here to google.com and you can just do a search for motivational quotes. You can also add motivational quotes business. And you can see different things that pop up, and you can just repurpose some of these quotes that you see onto your Facebook account. And if they are, if they're from somebody, like if it's a quote from Grant Cardone or whoever, make sure you cite the author as well. But you just want to do something inspirational. And the second type of post that you want to do is you want to post a picture of yourself or just a really good picture, and you want to provide some value. So just like how I did in this particular post right here, I posted a picture of myself, and then I gave people some information on how to generate organic traffic using Facebook. Now, it was just a short post where I just gave away some free value, and then I included a link. So you may be watching this right now and you're like, Lindsay, I don't know anything about affiliate marketing or internet marketing or whatever else. So you can come over here to YouTube, and then you want to do a search of affiliate marketing, internet marketing, entrepreneurship, or whatever. And once you do that search, you'll start to see a wide variety of videos that come up. So watch a few of these videos and jot down anywhere from 3 to 5 points. And then you just want to share that on your Facebook. That's all you have to do, guys. Keep it really simple, and this will work. Now, when you write down your 3 to 5 points that you're going to share on Facebook, make sure you include the link to the actual product that you found on ClickBank or to the product that you found on Digistore. Now, for this example, I used an affiliate link, but what you should do is ask people to message you for the link. When they message you for the link, that's when you want to send the link over to them. That'll be a better way to get more engagement and everything else. And I kind of use these interchangeably, but some of the best ways to actually get, to get sales is to tell people to actually message you to get the link. And then when they do, again, just send them the affiliate link that you found on ClickBank or Digistore. And this is all you have to do, guys. Just make 2 posts per day and make sure that you're adding at least 20 to 30 quality people every single day. And again, this is the same strategy that I used to make my first sales online, to have my first 5-figure month online. I even helped my clients to do the same as well, guys, using this simple strategy. Now, if you want to know more about this strategy and how you can actually generate $1,000 per day or maybe even more with this strategy. Now, someone that I'm actually connected with online named Joshdeep Singh, he actually does this actual strategy, and he can earn up to anywhere from $68,000 per month using this free marketing strategy on Facebook. And all he is doing is building up his friends list of buyers, and then he's actually promoting items to sell, and that way he's actually earning commissions every single month. These same strategies that I just shared with you in this video is how he is able to earn up to $68,000 per month. And if you come to his page on Facebook, you can even see the type of results that he is receiving. And as you guys can see here, this is his first time ever promoting a Warrior Plus product. And Warrior Plus is another website or a platform that you can use in order to find affiliate products to promote. And he was able to earn over 4 figures in his first 30 days of actually using this simple strategy that I just shared with you. He's also helping other people to have success as well. So with this guy right here, Joshdeep actually helped him to earn over $10,000 in profit for the month. And then over $3,000 of that was from chatting with people on Facebook. And then he helped this person right here to get a consulting client, and they actually paid him $2,500 just from the information that he had learned from Joshdeep. Now, if you want to know more about Joshdeep's strategy on how to leverage free Facebook marketing in order to earn $1,000 or more plus per day, in the link in the description below this video. And on this page is where I let you guys know more about Joshdeep's newly released course called Traffic Cataclysm. And as you guys can see here on this page, I give a full review video right here of what you can actually expect to learn inside of this course. I show you the back office, the training that you'll receive, and then I also have included my own bonuses that you'll receive in addition to purchasing this product. And as you guys can see here, the course only costs you about $13. And also on this page, I share with you guys a video of Joshdeep making over $1,600 live on stage, guys. And all that information can be found here. You can find the pricing of the product and everything else. And then you can click on any of these green buttons here, and it will bring you here to the sales page for Traffic Cataclysm. And you can just click on the red button here, and this is where you can actually purchase the product. Again, it's only $13. And if you scroll down the page, you can get additional information about Joshdeep and more about the actual product, guys. Again, this is a steal. It's only $13, and you'll get a full breakdown of how to leverage free marketing on Facebook in order to generate sales. And you're learning from somebody who is a 6-figure earner in this space and who is also a highly recommended traffic vendor. So underneath the video in the description below, go ahead and click on that first link. It'll bring you here to my bonus page where you can watch the full review of the actual product. Again, you can check out the bonuses and then click on any of these green buttons on the page in order to purchase the product for only $13. So in this video, I showed you guys how to earn $1,000 per day using this free hack. Now, this is simple to do, and what you want to make sure is that you do this for the next 30 days. You have to start to build momentum. This is not an overnight thing. You have to build up momentum in order for this to work the best for you. And the more you do this after those 30 days, the more commissions you can earn every single day. So if you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. And this is your first time watching this channel, let me know where in the world you are watching from. Also, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.